In today's video, I will walk you through how to deposit and withdraw money using Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To get started, open the official Robinhood website on your browser and log in using your account credentials so you can access your full dashboard. Once you are inside your account, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on the human profile icon. This will open additional account options. Under Margin, select View More Details, and a new window will appear with expanded account information. From there, navigate to the top right corner again and click on Account to open your full account menu where all settings and funding controls are located. Inside this menu, look for Transfers, which is the section used for both deposits and withdrawals. This is where you manage all movement of money in and out of your Robinhood account. To add money to your account, select Deposit. You will then be asked to choose the bank account you want to use for the transfer. If your bank account is already connected, it will appear automatically in the list of available options. Select the correct bank account and then enter the amount you want to deposit into your Robinhood balance. Make sure to double-check the amount before moving forward to avoid any mistakes. Once everything looks correct, click Review to check the full transfer details, including the selected bank and deposit amount. After reviewing, click Submit to confirm and start the deposit process. Once submitted, your request will begin processing, and depending on your bank, it may take some time before the funds fully appear in your account balance. Next, to withdraw money, stay inside the Transfers section and choose Withdrawal instead of Deposit. This switches the process from adding funds to sending money back to your bank. Select the bank account where you want to receive the funds, making sure it is the correct destination before continuing. Enter the amount you want to withdraw from your Robinhood balance. And again, take a moment to verify the value you entered. After that, click Review to check all withdrawal details carefully, including the bank account and total amount. When everything is correct, click Submit to finalize the withdrawal request. The system will then process your transaction, and the money will be transferred to your bank based on standard processing times, which may vary depending on your financial institution. You can return to the Transfers section anytime if you need to make another deposit or withdrawal in the future. It also helps to regularly check your account activity, so you stay updated on your recent transactions. And that is how to deposit and withdraw money using the Robinhood Legend step by step.